Hi, friends. A year of frustrations here, lots going on, so I figure we need to have a cup of cake. I brought with one of my favorite microwave safe 12-ounce mugs. This was given to me by my friend Isa because you can see it looks a little bit like me with the glasses, she told me. I take it as a compliment being a dog lover. So this is going to be a treat for one person, you. In my dry ingredients, I have 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. And I already whisked it together before you got here. I'm going to add 2 more things though while we're together. This is a 1/4 teaspoon. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add that. And we need a pinch of salt. So the way I'm going to do that is just put a tiny, this is sea salt, put a tiny little bit here on my paper towel so I don't waste too much. I am going to waste a little. I know that's hard to see, but the point is just a pinch. Can't hardly see it. I'm going to put that in there, mix it in. Okay, now my liquid ingredients are 3 tablespoons of oil, I have canola oil, and 3 tablespoons of milk. That's already in there. And what I'm going to add right now, friends, is vanilla extract. I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon, same as the baking powder. I'll put all these ingredients, as I always do, in the notes so that when you're doing this at home by yourself, you can have it written down. Put that in there. And mix the liquid ingredients up a little bit. Now, we're going to mix the liquid and the dry ingredients together in my big bowl. I'm going to do it with my rubber scraper. So just enough to make it well incorporated. Not a super lot, just a little bit. And then I'm going to put this into my fancy mug. You probably noticed over here already chocolate chips. This is just about what I could get into my hand. About a tablespoon, not very much. It's a super chocolatey cake, super chocolatey. All right, now this is going to go right into my mug. I missed. Okay. All right, you can see there's plenty of room in my mug. So if your mug is smaller than this, don't worry. All right, I'm going to microwave this for a little more than a minute, about 70 to 80 seconds. And when I come back, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, cup of cake, smells delicious. So I'm going to let this cool for 2 or 3 minutes, just enough so that it's not super hot anymore. And then your choices are, ice cream of course is always an option if you have that at your house. Whipped cream, sprinkles, also good because we are celebrating the end of a year that has been full of challenge. Challenge amundo. So I love these things. A little whipped cream, sprinkles, everybody loves them. And that is a thing of beauty. This is a cake that you eat with a spoon. Happy graduation, guys. Happy end of the school year.